Hi, I am Nap Benjamin A. Hikilan and I am your reporter for today. Good morning and welcome to our special segment on the world of farm animals. Today we're taking a closer look at the different breeds that contribute to our food supply. From the humble chicken to the majestic cattle, each breed plays a unique role in the agricultural ecosystem. Let's start with our feathered friends, the chickens. There are different breeds of chicken on the farm. The Leghorn, the Acona, Sussex, Cornish, and Australope. The New Hampshire or New Hampshire Red. The Plymouth Rock, Rhode Island Red, and Codgeskin and Brahma. Ducks with their distinctive webbed feet and quacking calls are another vital part of the farm. There are some breeds of duck: Muscovy duck, Peking duck, and Khaki Campbell duck. Our native Pateros duck is small compared to our imported breeds. Quail, often overlooked, are small but mighty birds. The tuxedo quail has black and white patches on its head and body. Black-breasted quail, Japanese Settle and Japanese Taiwan, silver, and native are also breeds of quail. Now let's move on to the larger livestock. Cattle, the backbone of the dairy beef industry, come in a wide array of breeds like Friesian, Ayrshire, Jersey, Hereford, Devon, and Black Angus, Simmental. Swine or pigs are known for their intelligence and social nature. The Yorkshire breed is an American breed of large domestic pig. There are also many breeds of swine, like large white Chester, Chester white, Doric Jersey, Hampshire Poland, China, Landrace Middle White, large black, and wild boar. Goats, with their alert nature to bloom in diverse environments, are gaining popularity for their milk and meat. The Saangnen breed is a distinctive in its white cream body. Color in its largest milk producer of goat breeds are some of the goat breeds are Angora, Spanish Boar, Kiko, Nubian, La Mancha, Alpine, Nigerian Dwarf, and Jamnapari. Finally, we have rabbits, often kept for their soft and fur meat. Belgian Red is a fancy breed of domestic rabbit. Californian White is originally developed for fur and meat. And last is the Flemish Giant, is the largest breed of domestic rabbit. As you can see, the world of farm animals is incredibly diverse. Each breed is with unique characteristics and contributions, from the smallest quail to the largest cattle. These animals play a vital role in our lives, providing us with food, fiber, and companionship. We hope you enjoyed this news about the world of farm animals. Stay for insightful segments on our next broadcast.